Have you ever wondered that how AI agent will communicate to each other? So it look like a magic, but actually this is called a protocols like A2A and MCP. So in the corporate world, one term is quite popular these days among the team who actually practicing the AI agent. The term known as MCP, which stands for the Model Context Protocol, and number of them are confused. They don't have a clear idea about like what exactly the MCP are, how it different from the A2A. In this video, I'm trying to cover it in a very simple way so that everyone can understand. So we'll first discuss A2A. A2A stands for the agent to agent protocol. Imagine A2A like a group chat where all the agents can communicate to each other in order to get the job done. They are using different sort of tools. Is it like a flow where agent A can communicate to agent B to C, then should be a response? Or it might be a agent A to agent B to C, then maybe some orchestrator in place, then response. This is a general protocol which followed by the LangGraph or some other frameworks. Now let's discuss the showstopper, Mr. MCP. So I'll give you one example to explain MCP. Imagine your AI agent as a smart person who speaks a single language to get the job done. But he need to communicate with different tools, spreadsheet, external APIs who speak a different language. So how do they communicate? So for the communication, they use Model Context Protocol, which stands for the MCP, which act as a universal translator or adapter. I'll give you one more example. Imagine that you develop some of the agent on LangGraph, or maybe some nodes, or maybe some agents on AutoGAN, a different platform, and some agent on semantic kernel, and you want all to communicate in a one channel. So the protocol that you used over there is called the MCP to make this possible. I hope now moving forward you won't compare MCP with A2A, but you can leverage MCP to enhance your A2A experience. So if you like my video, do follow me on LinkedIn for the more such updates. Thank you.